Van tool theft affects us all.
From your local tradesman.
Or tradeswoman.
You could be a plumber.
Or an electrician.
A builder.
Or a tiler.
Whether you're a veteran
Or a sole trader.
Or just starting out.
Having your tools stolen.
Or your van stolen.
Can really impact your business. The damage to your van making it unusable.
can stop you from working
or earning a living.
To support you and your family.
It has to stop.
Not just for us,
but for future generations.
So sign the petition.
It only takes a minute.
So please, share with your
friends and colleagues.
And anyone you think it matters to.
Because it matters to us.